Very good. So, children, good morning once again. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, as you know that we have completed almost our multiplication with the word problems, story problems, right? Word problems and the story problems is the same thing. We have done the long method of the multiplication also. Yes, we have done row and column method of multiplication also. Vishrut, turn on your camera. Vishrut, you filled for the offline. Why you were not there in the class? Tell me, Vishrut, why you
Ma'am,
were not there today in the class?
ma'am, I have filled for offline, but after that the corona has been come again of wave 3, and this one is dangerous. So that's why my mother has mailed to Jyoti ma'am and Sujata ma'am that I will going online only. I will join
Okay.
again from 1st December.
Okay, okay. So, children, now we are moving to our next topic, which is about the division. Can anyone know what does the division means? Yes, Moksh.
Ma'am,
Then I'll talk.
repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction.
Okay. Here, what does division mean, students? In which, why there is a, what do you mean by the word division means?
Ma'am, can I also Vishnu?
Check your
Divide
timetable.
something to so many people.
So, children, why the word division we are using?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
to
to
divide
divide
To
something.
divide
something.
something. Here, what you children are saying, what does the division means? To divide something. Suppose if I am giving you, you children also please note down, you have 18 chocolates,
Ma'am,
18
can you repeat
chocolates,
that?
18 chocolates. Ha, in short, you can write 18 chocolates you have, and you have to divide it into 1, 8, 18. You have 18 chocolates, and there are three friends. Three friends. How many chocolates each friend will get?
Ma'am, what? You can repeat that one?
You have 18 chocolates,
Ma'am,
dividing
ma'am,
among the three friends.
ma'am,
Each friend will get how many
ma'am,
chocolates?
ma'am, six talk.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Arab
six.
Abani? 6.
Ma'am,
Okay,
95.
now I want to wait. Yes, I want to show you. Children, don't do this long division method. Long division method we will do in the last. Simple repeated subtraction method also you can do, or you can do in the different ways. But don't come directly on the long division method, or you can do it by the grouping also. Am I clear?
Yes,
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Okay. So this long division method we will do later. First we do the basic things about the division. So before moving to the long division method, first we will see what are the properties of division. The way we have learned the properties of multiplication, like 7 multiply, any number multiply by 0, the answer will be
zero.
any
Zero.
number multiply by 1, answer will
Zero.
be
Same.
the
Answer
division.
will remain the same.
Yes, same way the division also have some properties. So I want to show you one video based on the division properties. Please watch that video properly.
Ma'am, we have not that question, so we have not to solve it now. No?
What happened?
Ma'am, you said the question, so I have noted that, so we have to solve it now.
What? That
That
question.
question.
You can solve later on once you clear with this, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Just see the video properly. I'm going to mute myself now.
Look at the beautiful apple farm. How about visiting this farm and learning the division properties here? It will be fun. Let us begin. There are
Audible?
4 division properties. Let us learn them one by one. Property 1. When a number is divided by 1, then the quotient is the number itself. Let us see how. There are 5 kids in the farm, but there is only one apple in the basket. How many slices of apple do we need to make so that the apple is distributed equally, since
So now students, what does this property means? If any number divided by the same number, what will be the answer?
But itself.
If I say 36,
Itself
if I say
only.
36
Quotient
divided by
itself.
36,
Quotient itself.
quotient is self.
Quotient itself.
What will be the question? Tell me what will be the question.
The number itself will be the quotient.
If I say 36 chocolates are there. 36 divided by 36, what will be the answer?
1.
1.
1. And children, the first number in the division is called what? The number by which we are dividing.
Dividend.
What will be the second number?
Divisor.
And
Divisor.
what is the answer in the division called?
Quotient. Quotient.
Quotient.
Quotient. And if something is remaining, is called what?
Reminder.
Remainder. Am I clear till here? Can I move to the
Yes,
video now?
Yes. Yes.
there are 5 kids and only one apple, we need to make 5 slices of the apple to distribute it equally among the 5 kids. Therefore, 5 divided by 1 is equal to 5. This concludes that when a number is divided by 1, then the quotient.
Now students, this is the another property. First we have done 36 chocolates divided by 36 is the 1. If you have 36 chocolate divided by 1, what will be the answer? The number.
36. 36. 36.
Because what is the dividend in this sum which is on the screen? What is the dividend?
5.
What is the divisor?
1.
And what will be the quotient?
5.
Is there any
Five.
remainder here?
No, ma'am.
Just a minute, students. Let me take the attendance. Done? Till here, everyone clear about the dividend divisor?
Yes.
Till here, everyone clear is the same number divided by the same number. The question will be
Same.
1. 36 divided by 36, what will be the answer?
1.
And if 36 divided by 1, what will be the answer?
36.
I'm going to play the video just for.
Is the number itself. Property 2. When a non-zero number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. Now we can see 4 kids, and the number of apples in the basket is 4. How many apples does each kid get?
1.
Here,
One.
there are
One.
4 kids and 4 apples.
Ma'am, 1.
There are 4 kids, 4 apples. Each one will get how many apples?
One.
So this is the first property we have done, and the second property also we have done. Both the properties are clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Accordingly, each kid gets one apple. So, we have divided number 4 by 4 and got the answer as 1. Thus, this shows us that when a non-zero number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. Property 3. When 0 is divided by a non-zero number, the quotient is 0. Oops! There are 0 apples in the basket. And the number of kids is 6. How many apples does each kid get?
Zero. Zero.
Now, students, listen. If you have nothing to distribute, and you are 36 people are there in front of you, or 70 people, whichever the number of people are there, but you have nothing to distribute them. So what will be the answer?
Zero.
So you will say 0 divided by any number, the answer will be
Zero.
There are 6 kids and no apples. So, here each kid gets 0 apples as there are no apples. Here, simply we divided the number 0 by 6 and got the answer 0. Thus, when 0 is divided by a non-zero number, the quotient is 0.
so. All the 3 properties are clear to everyone, to the online class students.
Yes, ma'am.
To all, any doubt? Any doubt to any child?
No, ma'am.
Now we are going to learn about how to do the division with the grouping. We are going to learn what? How to do the division by grouping. I am going to present my screen and I will show you the worksheet. You have to draw the figures in your notebook. Everyone, those who are there online and offline, those who are sitting here. Same pictures is not necessary, but the number of the pictures is same, should be same. Take out the notebooks and start drawing. The presentation is here. Is that visible to you, online students?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah,
Now, first you need to understand the first question. How many groups of 8 you will able to, first of all, count how many candles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24. So there are how many candles in the first picture?
24.
In each group there should be 8 candles. So how many candles? 3 groups. So first you start drawing. Draw, students. You can draw any shape, whichever you like, but it should be 18 objects. Whether circle, whether star, whether ball, whether whatever the picture you like to draw, draw them, and you have to make the groups like this. See, make the groups like this. Cover them in the groups. See here on the page. This way you can
have to make 24
objects in the one group. There are total 24 objects. With the pencil, draw with the pencil. Circle them also with the pencil. Make the group also with the pencil.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to take new page because right.
Please, one by one. More speak.
Then we have to draw 24 things.
24
Same.
objects. Yes. Not same, not compulsory the candle it should be. It can be any object. It can be circle, it can be star, it can be triangle, it can be anything. But it should be 18. And then make the groups like this, the way I am showing you on the screen. Cover them in the groups. How many groups of 8 you are making? 3. Then write the answer 3. And if I tell you, make the division statement for this, what will be the division statement?
1, 2, 3,
Yes, Vedi.
20.
24 divided by 3.
24 divided by 8.
Division.
24 divided by 8.
Tej Kumar is giving the right answer. 24 objects are there. Total objects should come first. So 24 divided by 8. And what is your answer?
3.
3. Please write in your notebook.
Hello, ma'am. I have to take new page because at one page I have written division 18 chocolates divided into 3 friends.
What more?
Ma'am, you said to note that question first. So
That question also you can first do and then do this.
okay, ma'am.
So if I tell you to write the statement of division, please write the division statement below this after solving this. Write 24 divided by 8. And the answer is 3. You can draw any objects, but it should be 24 objects. Clear? Can you use 3 lines, 4 lines, whatever the lines you can use. Yes, please.
Can I say the first one?
Yes, Bhakti, tell me the first one.
The first one is 1.
How many groups of 8?
Ma'am, 1.
Hmm. Clear, everyone? Can I move to the next question? It will be there on the screen. It will be there on the screen. Please do, everyone. Don't think ma'am is not getting up from the chair and not checking to us.
Hello, ma'am. We can write in pencil the sentence and the number. Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I say the first one?
Ma'am,
Yes, Bhakti, please speak.
Ma'am, it is 3.
Yes, 3. So what will be the division statement for this line? 24 divided by 8 equals to 3. This way you
No,
will form the division statement.
ma'am, we can write this statement
Yes,
and the
write the division statement also when you are putting into the grouping.
means we can write it with pencil the division.
Pencil, pencil.
Ma'am, I will write. Ma'am, I
How
wrote
many groups of 2?
pen only.
In each group there should be 2.
Ma'am, means we can write with pen the statement and the number.
What happened most?
We can write the statement and the number with pen.
Okay. First is done, everyone. 18 objects are done and divided by the group in the groups of 8. And the second one, how many groups? 9. So what will be the statement for the second one? 18 divided by 2 equals to 9. Are you all doing, students, those who are sitting there?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we can just draw one shape only. It is okay. Let me draw a circle in all. It is okay.
When you are speaking, it's not clearly audible to me.
Ma'am, if we draw one shape in every one, so it is okay.
Just a minute, let me put the earphones. Wait a minute.
If
Wait a minute.
ma'am,
Yes, now.
ma'am, now you can hear me.
Yes, yes, now I can hear you. Tell me.
If I draw one shape in everyone, if I draw a circle in
Mohammed Patel, mute your mic, please. Yes, now speak.
if I draw if circle only, it is okay.
Yes, I already told if you can draw any of the shape.
I thought we have to draw different.
Any. Yeah, but it should be different in all because so that only the difference will come. Clear?
Okay, means if I want to draw circle, then
2
triangle.
points are done.
No, ma'am.
Please do it fast.
Hello, ma'am. You said 18 chocolates divided in 3 friends. So this statement will be 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6, no?
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Done the second one. Can I move the cursor down?
No, ma'am. I'm doing the first one.
Those who have done first or second can do the third one. Start doing. How many groups of 6? These are apples. How many? Sorry, tomato, sorry. You can draw any of the pictures. And first of all, you should know how many tomatoes are these. Yes, Tej Kumar.
Ma'am, 24 divide by 6. 24 divide by 6.
The statement will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
4 answer is 4.
The answer is 4. And please circle them in the. Mohammed, pay attention here in the class. This way you will do. I will present you my screen with the answer also. Please circle the tomatoes in this way. In each group, the cell should be 6 tomatoes should be covered. So how many groups of 6 you are making? 4 groups of 6. Till here, everyone. What are you doing, both of you? Wait a minute. Write the third one. Write the fourth one also. Now I'm moving to the fourth one. How many groups of 5? How many groups of 5? Because there are how many objects?
Ma'am, 2.
Ma'am, 10 divided by 5. 10
10
divided
divided by 5. And the statement is 10 divided by 5. The quotient is 2. 10 divided by 5. I will check here also. Those who are sitting, I will check the notebooks. Yes, you have to write. Okay. But better you draw some objects instead of lines. And don't do this way. This is the statement. 24 divided by 8 is equals to this. इसी से ही आपका ग्रुपिंग से आंसर आया है. Next is 18 divided by 2. It is 9. And there should be 2 को cover करना है. आपने 9 को cover किया. Which is wrong. How many groups of six it is coming? Tell me. Check the number of tomatoes, these, and tell me. Write the answer. Done, everyone?
No.
Kritika, just check everyone is drawing the proper neat and shapes. I'm arranging them in the grouping also. The student, those who are sitting online, is there any problem to any child?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Are you all drawing and then grouping them like this?
Yeah. Yes.
Like,
Ma'am, I am on third.
who is on third? Okay, let me move it on third. Third, I will show you on the screen now. Third, fourth, and fifth. How many groups of three? First of all, check how many flowers are these.
Hello, ma'am. By mistake, I have in the second one I have
Ma'am,
drawn
9 divided by 3.
is
Mox,
27.
Mox, if you have interchanged the question, it's okay.
Ma'am, means in the second one I have added 2 more groups, so it's okay.
So then now you can change the total number of, you can change your statement now.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है?
I have changed this statement also.
Okay. So how many groups of three you will make students here?
Ma'am,
Anya,
9
you give me the
divided by
answer.
3.
Not
9
only
divided
all
by
the answers Tej Kumar will not give. Others are also there.
Divided by 3. 9 divided.
Manya, you are there?
Ma'am, can you show the screen?
I will show. There are how many groups of three you will make? Here, students, those are sitting offline. Three. And in each group, how many flowers you will arrange?
3.
Mohammed, you are getting me? What will be the statement of division? What will be the statement of division? 9 divided by 3 equals to 3. You all are doing, I am going to check your notebooks, everyone. Here you are doing? Any problem till here to any child?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
How many groups of 7?
Please, can
First
you
of all,
show?
most doing very slow, bacha.
Ma'am, because I was doing your sum also first, so that's why.
Ma'am, 26 multiplied by 6.
Multiply, we are not doing testing.
Ma'am, divide by 7.
Ma'am,
26 divided by 7.
26 divided by 7.
Okay, we will wait. First we complete till 5, then we move to the next. Complete till 5. Yeah, are you doing? Kritika, go get up and check everyone's notebook. There only, at the places what they are doing. First, let's complete till 5.
Ma'am, done.
The last one. Second one. Fifth one is there. How many groups of 3? Is there on the screen fifth one? How many groups of 3?
Ma'am, in third one, there are 4 groups of 6, no?
In the third one, there are, yes, 4 groups of 6.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, you can show sixth one. I've done 5.
Let everyone complete till 5 first. No, with the pencil. No within the period. Okay, I'm scrolling it down. The sixth one. Count the number of locks.
Ma'am, 28 divided by 7.
Ma'am, four.
How many are there, Tej Kumar?
28.
There are 28. How many are there? 20 students locks. And how many groups of 7? In each group there should be 7 locks. So how many groups of 7 you will make?
Ma'am, Arnav.
Yes, Arnav?
4.
Yes. You? How many? 4. So now you can see your direct answer is coming when you are dividing them in the group. You have not learned the tables also. You have not done it with the long division method. But when you are dividing the objects into the groups, you directly getting your answer. Yes or no? Is this the interesting concept?
Ma'am, how many we have to complete?
But this much only.
Ma'am, can you show the
Only
fourth
6.
question only? How many groups of?
Which question?
Yes, ma'am. Fourth one only. Thank you.
Please write the question so that you can draw it the objects later on also. And please note the objects should be 10 in the fourth. There are 9 objects in the fifth one, and there are 28 objects in the sixth one. Yes.
The 7.
Done, everyone?
No, ma'am.
Please don't ask. And students, I want to show you the worksheet which I am going to send you today.
Ma'am.
This is the worksheet. Wait a minute, Tej Kumar, Rehan Dobaria, and Moksh. Wait.
Ma'am, I am not speaking.
This is the worksheet which I am going to send you today. Look here. So there are 8 flowers. Make groups of 4. So how many groups of 4 you will make in this one?
2.
What will be the statement for the division?
What was I?
Ma'am, 8. Ma'am, 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2.
Yes, 8 divided by 4 equals to.
4 is 2.
Look here, wait, Pragyan. So will you able to do this worksheet?
Yes, ma'am. It is easy.
Yes. Now come here. Please note down fast.
Yes, ma'am. I'm done.
I will send in the activity class. And children, now please note whatever the work related to whichever the subject you will get only in the activity classroom, not in 4C. So check your maths work today in the activity classroom. Am I clear? I will make the folder of the maths same way the way we were doing and check your work there.
Okay.
Done, everyone?
No, ma'am.
Mosh, I have to end up the class, Mosh. Please check.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm done.
Drawing part you can do later on. Just write the sums.
Ma'am, I do some and drawing afterwards. The class will end.
But the note part is there. Okay, students, can I end the class? Manya, done?
No, ma'am, just a minute. Can I take a screenshot?
Yes, please take a screenshot. Fast. Here, I'm going to check your notebooks. Don't think the notebooks are not going to be checked. Arush, Vihan, Momin, Pia. Note down the sums at least first. This much only. 6 sums.
Ma'am.
थोड़ा सा गैप करके इसको ग्रुप में बनाते हैं.
How many are there in the 7th one?
20.
4.
Well tried.
Mox 4.
I will check. We'll give you the
28.
Okay, thank you, students.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Bye, ma'am.